woodworking is an art that demands precision, creativity, and the right set of tools. In this video, we're bringing you 50 woodworking tools that are truly on another level, designed to elevate your craftsmanship. These tools embody the perfect blend of tradition and innovation, offering solutions that make woodworking more efficient and enjoyable. Let's dive into this list of exceptional tools that are set to transform the way you work with wood. If you're into precision woodworking, the Bloom Concealed Hinge Jig is a must-have tool. This jig allows you to drill perfectly aligned holes for Bloom concealed hinges, which ensures your cabinet doors hang flawlessly. It features a preset depth stop, allowing for consistent 35mm cup hole drilling. The clamp system secures your workpiece, so there's no need for a drill press. Users rave about its ease of use, citing how it transforms what was once a tedious task into a quick, reliable process. The built-in ruler and easy-to-read markings help maintain accuracy, which is critical for professional results. With this jig, your hinge installations will be swift and precise to elevate your woodworking to new heights. Step up your woodworking game with the Infinity Self-Centering Doweling Jig. Built from high-strength aluminum, this tool is designed for durability and precision. Its standout feature, the self-centering mechanism, guarantees perfectly aligned holes, which makes dowel joint creation a breeze. Capable of handling materials up to 2.4 inches thick, it's ideal for various woodworking tasks. Enthusiasts and professionals alike commend its ability to enhance joint strength and project aesthetics. The jig's easy setup and operation are frequently highlighted, with many users reporting improved efficiency and reduced material waste. Whether you're crafting intricate pieces or assembling wooden furniture, the Infinity Self-Centering Doweling Jig ensures flawless results. For woodworking projects that demand accuracy, the Woodpecker's Thin Rip Guide is an invaluable tool. This guide attaches to your table saw and includes a micro-adjustable wheel, which allows for fine adjustments to within 1/64 of an inch. Its sturdy construction guarantees long-lasting performance and stability. The ability to set and maintain precise thickness across multiple cuts saved time and reduced material waste. This tool is ideal for intricate projects like edge banding or making fine veneers. The Woodpecker's Thin Rip Guide's compatibility with most table saws makes it a versatile choice for any woodworker. Enhance your precision and efficiency with this reliable tool and take your craftsmanship to the next level. Finding the center of your project materials has never been easier with the Milescraft Center Finder. This tool is designed to accurately locate the center on any workpiece up to 3.5 inches wide. The Center Finder is perfect for woodworkers, DIY enthusiasts, and craftsmen who demand precision in their projects. With its high visibility marking system, you can quickly draw lines for mortises, tenons, and other joinery tasks. The tool is lightweight, weighing only 0.32 ounces, and is constructed from durable ABS plastic, which ensures it withstands the stress of daily use. The dual-sided design allows for both metric and imperial measurements to make it versatile for any project. Experience seamless center marking with the Milescraft Center Finde and elevate the accuracy of your craftsmanship. Looking for a compact yet powerful saw? The Wen Compact Circular Saw delivers. Its 5-ampere motor achieves 3,500 RPM, effortlessly cutting through a variety of materials, including wood, plastic, and metal. Weighing a mere 6 pounds, it's easy to handle and reduces strain during extended use. The 4.5-inch blade offers a cutting depth of up to 11/16 inches, with a laser guide to ensure precise cuts every time. The ergonomic design provides a comfortable grip, which enhances control and reduces stress. Additionally, the saw features a dust port to maintain a clear workspace and improve safety and visibility. This saw is a great addition to any toolbox, whether you're a seasoned professional or a DIY enthusiast. When it comes to cutting tools, the Wen Orbital Jigsaw is a powerful and dependable option. Featuring a 6.6 ampere motor, it provides up to 3,300 strokes per minute, easily cutting through wood, metal, and plastic. The orbital selection knob with its 4 settings allows you to choose between smooth and aggressive cuts. An onboard LED light illuminates your cutting path, which ensures accuracy even in poor lighting. Despite its top-notch performance, the Wen Orbital Jigsaw is lightweight at only 5.1 pounds. Its user-friendly design and rubberized grip make it comfortable to handle, reducing fatigue during extended use. Ideal for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts, this jigsaw is designed to provide efficient and precise cutting for a variety of projects. Transform your workspace with the Pony Clamping Worktable Sawhorse, a reliable tool for any project. Offering a clamping force of up to 220 pounds, it keeps your materials secure and ensures stability and precision. The sturdy steel frame supports up to 440 pounds, which makes it ideal for heavy-duty applications. With an adjustable height ranging from 30 to 36 inches, it provides ergonomic benefits, reducing physical strain. The non-slip rubber feet ensure the work table stays in place, even on smooth surfaces. Perfect for both professional contractors and DIY enthusiasts, it enhances your productivity and accuracy. Trust the Pony Clamping Worktable Sawhorse to deliver the performance and reliability you need for all your projects. Meet the Pony Jorgensen I-Bar Clamp, a versatile tool manufactured to meet the demands of professional woodworkers and DIY enthusiasts alike. This clamp is constructed with a robust iron bar, ensuring it is capable of long-term use. It boasts a clamping capacity of up to 72 inches, which makes it ideal for larger projects. The clamp's 1,000-pound clamping force ensures that your materials stay securely in place, also preventing any unwanted movement during your work. Its adjustable head allows for precise alignment, while the ergonomic handle reduces hand fatigue. From cabinetry to furniture making, the Pony Jorgensen I-Bar Clamp provides the reliability and strength needed for perfect results. Introducing the Jet Variable Speed Wood Lathe, a quality tool perfect for both hobbyists and professionals. With a powerful 1GP motor, this lathe delivers consistent performance across its variable speed range of 60 to 3600 RPM. The innovative ratchet-style belt tension system ensures smooth speed transitions and minimizes downtime. Its 20-inch swing over the bed and 34.5-inch distance between centers provide plenty of space for a variety of woodworking projects. This lathe's cast iron construction enhances stability and reduces vibration, which ensures precise and smooth operations. The digital readout helps maintain accuracy to make it easier to replicate designs. With a weight of 310 pounds, it remains firmly grounded during heavy-duty tasks. Whether you're crafting intricate details or large bowls, the Jet Variable Speed Wood Lathe is a reliable companion. The Fox Alien CNC Machine XE Pro is designed to elevate your machining projects with its superior capabilities. Equipped with a robust 300-watt spindle, this machine handles materials such as wood, acrylic, and aluminum effortlessly. Its generous 400 by 400 by 60 mm work area offers plenty of room for intricate and large-scale projects. The sturdy aluminum construction ensures durability and efficiency, while the compatibility with GRBL control software simplifies operation. The included offline controller adds flexibility, which allows you to work on projects without needing a computer. No matter if you're crafting custom furniture pieces or detailed art, the XE Pro provides the accuracy and reliability you need. Embrace the power of precision and take your creations to the next level with the Fox Alien XE Pro. It has never been easier than with the WorkPro Professional Palm Sander. This compact tool weighs just 2.65 pounds, making it ideal for long periods of use without causing fatigue. Built with a powerful 2.5 amp motor, it reaches speeds of up to 12,000 orbits per minute, which provides a flawless finish on various materials. The sander's ergonomic design and soft rubber grip enhance comfort and reduce vibrations for precise control. The built-in dust collection system efficiently captures particles and maintains a cleaner workspace. Additionally, the hook and loop system allows for quick sandpaper changes, saving you valuable time. Perfect for woodworkers, metalworkers, and DIY enthusiasts, the WorkPro Professional Palm Sander offers top-notch performance and convenience, making it an essential tool for any project. Transform your woodworking experience with the SpeeTool Kratos Router Sled Pro. This tool provides a generous 48 by 96-inch work area, perfect for tackling large woodworking projects with precision. Constructed from solid aluminum, it guarantees durability and stability and minimizes vibrations for a smooth and clean finish. The height adjustability from 3-inch to 5-inch adds versatility, which accommodates different wood thicknesses effortlessly. At 25 pounds, it is strong enough to stay firm during use yet easy to manage. Users praise its efficiency and the professional-grade results it delivers to make complex tasks more manageable. The Spitool Kratos Router Sled Pro is an essential addition to any woodworking setup, offering reliability and high performance for all your projects. Master door hinge installations with the Strand Door Hinge Jig A. Engineered for craftsmanship, this tool offers flexibility and ease of use, fitting different hinge sizes with adjustable settings. By utilizing its adjustable guides and robust clamping mechanism, you ensure each hinge cut is perfectly aligned, reducing installation time significantly. Its robust construction guarantees reliability and durability, which makes it suitable for intensive use on various projects. Whether you're renovating homes or working on commercial spaces, the Jig's intuitive design enhances workflow efficiency, delivering consistent and professional results. Enhance your woodworking experience with the Strand Door Hinge Jig A, and ensure seamless door fittings and precise hinge placements every time. Crafting seamless and professional-looking cabinets just got easier with the Kreg Concealed Hinge Jig. Designed to simplify the installation of concealed hinges, this tool promises precise positioning and accuracy, even for beginners. Featuring a well-built construction and user-friendly design, the Kreg Jig allows woodworkers to drill perfect hinge cup holes effortlessly, guaranteeing a flawless fit for every hinge. What sets the Hinge Jig apart is its adjustable guides and built-in measuring scales, which eliminate guesswork and streamline the setup process. Woodworkers can achieve consistent results across multiple cabinets, enhancing productivity without compromising on quality. Its versatility accommodates various hinge sizes and door thicknesses and makes it a reliable addition to any woodworking shop. Efficiently organize your workshop with the Rockler Clamp and Tool Storage Rack, designed to maximize space and accessibility. This sturdy rack accommodates various types of clamps and tools, which keeps them neatly arranged for quick access during projects. Crafted from durable materials, it ensures long-lasting performance even under heavy use. Whether you're a woodworking enthusiast or a professional carpenter, this storage solution simplifies your workflow by eliminating clutter and streamlining tool retrieval. Experience enhanced efficiency and productivity with every project, knowing your essential tools are securely stored and readily available. Upgrade your workshop today with the Rockler Clamp and Tool Storage Rack and discover the convenience of a well-organized workspace. Achieve perfection like never before with the Magswitch Universal Saw Indicator. This innovative tool assures your cuts are perfectly aligned thanks to its magnetic base that securely attaches to your saw's blade. Experience effortless adjustments with its easy-to-read gauge, which allows you to set precise angles and measurements with accuracy. Whether you're a seasoned woodworker or a DIY enthusiast, this tool enhances your productivity and reduces setup time. Designed with robust materials and engineered for reliability, the Magswitch Universal Saw Indicator withstands regular use in workshops of all sizes. Its intuitive design simplifies the calibration process and ensures consistent performance across various cutting tasks. Discover enhanced efficiency and craftsmanship with every use, making it an indispensable addition to your woodworking toolkit. Introducing the Magswitch Savior Featherboard, a revolutionary tool that redefines precision and safety in woodworking. Engineered with magnetic switchable technology, it offers unparalleled convenience by effortlessly adhering to any ferrous metal surface, eliminating the need for clamps. This feature enables quick adjustments and ensures consistent pressure, enhancing cutting accuracy and minimizing the risk of kickbacks. Crafted for durability, the Savior Featherboard maintains its robust performance through extensive use, providing reliable support across various woodworking applications. Whether you're crafting intricate designs or tackling everyday projects, this featherboard enhances workflow efficiency and ensures a safer working environment. Discover the difference in control and reliability with this essential tool, designed to elevate your woodworking experience. Step up your woodworking game with the Maxua SC1100X cabinet saw, engineered for precision and power. This saw's 5GP motor provides ample strength to tackle tough hardwoods and thick materials, while its robust build ensures stability and durability in demanding workshop environments. Designed with user convenience in mind, the SC1100X boasts a spacious cast iron table that reduces vibration and enhances accuracy during cuts. Its advanced fence system allows for seamless adjustments, which ensures consistent results with every pass. Safety is paramount, with features like a transparent blade guard and a riving knife that minimize risks during operation. Crafted for professionals who value efficiency and reliability, this cabinet saw delivers exceptional performance and longevity and makes it a valuable asset in any woodworking shop. Meet the Maxiwa BMS 1600 IR sliding panel saw, a cornerstone of high accuracy and power in woodworking equipment. Equipped with a formidable 5 horsepower motor and a cutting capacity of 1600 mm, this machine is designed to handle large-scale projects with ease. Its infrared safety system guarantees operational security, which makes it a trusted choice for professional woodworkers seeking efficiency and safety in equal measure. Crafted for durability and performance, the Maxiwa BMS 1600 IR ensures accurate cuts and enhances productivity and quality in workshop environments. Enjoy the difference with Maxiwa's commitment to excellence in every detail. Craftsmanship meets precision with the Jet Sliding Compound Mitre Saw series. Suited for both amateurs and seasoned professionals, these saws boast top-notch accuracy and versatility. The jet saws feature a strong sliding mechanism that extends cutting capacity while maintaining smooth, controlled operation. With a powerful motor delivering up to 15 amps and speeds of over 3,800 revolutions per minute, they effortlessly tackle hardwoods and dense materials with ease. What sets the Jet apart is its attention to detail. The dual bevel capability allows for precise angle cuts without the need to flip your workpiece, saving time and improving workflow. The integrated laser guide ensures pinpoint accuracy, reducing errors and enhancing productivity. Invest in accuracy, reliability, and efficiency with Jet, your ultimate companion in the workshop. So that was the list of 50 woodworking tools that are on another level. Let us know which product you are most fascinated by in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel to get more videos like this.